sir, we out here. Lake Jackson. Barry's boat dock. Gonna try to see if I can find me some slabs, some hogs. Boys ain't got here yet. But I'm finna unload and get on out here. Get this bridge. See what's going on. Squad. Yes, Sirski. Set up good right now, man. Out here chasing slabs. So far, some good success. They really been biting. They biting off so far. Y'all just to be continued. Oh. That boy sleep, boy. Talk to him, sleep.
Yo, stay on the phone with me while I catch these slabs. Out here, Jackson. Oh shit, me, Kale, and Joe. Right now.
Yeah, we out here, man. Lake Jackson. Show y'all what we got going on. Yes, sir. 5 o'clock in the morning, man. About to get ready to pack it up and get ready to go. Came out here and did what I said I was gonna do, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good Fishing Squad TV, man. Y'all go subscribe to the channel, man. And I'm out.
Shit, you got my hands dry.
That boy sleep. That boy say, nah. He said, man, non-stop.
Yeah. It hit my shit. You know it. You know it. You see him? You see him?
That boy kills it. Yes, sir. Fillets. Got them fillets. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Squad. Dinner time, baby.